Yeah, hi. Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday today, right? So I thought to come online. I thought to come online and see. Uh, so what we can discuss today? What we can discuss is apart from this, or subject or something. Subject also. mm, so, guys. I can see it's a lot of people I can see a lot of people are connecting with me to know it this about the jobs which is going on now this market, right? And market is up. The jobs are more now. It's like in IT as usual, like software testing also is having more jobs. So as we know it, like lot of calls we are receiving it, lot of calls we are receiving it. So how to prepare for our interviews and how we can move on and how we want to be, do our 1 minute. I want to check like where it is working fine. Uh, right. MUKKIDI. Yeah, so it is getting voice and everything. It's fine. Yeah, so it is getting voice and everything. Fine. Yeah, so it is yes, I can see a lot of things are going on. The mic is getting little bit noisy. Yeah, so that's fine. That's fine. Yes. So this is what I wanted to share with us: how to prepare and where to prepare and what to prepare for the selenium, and how to achieve our goal uh, to be crack your interviews. So I thought to put my experience or share my experience with you all, uh, how we can move on it. So going forward, it will be good sessions. We can plan it and how we need to crack it and all. So if you guys is having any questions on how to crack this interview and what to prepare and where to prepare and how to give this your interview to this interview panel and what sort of questions they'll ask and how answering these questions and all, and you guys can start commenting it, and you guys can, I make creative videos on that and how we can move on, work with this all. So I'm hoping you guys will be, moving our. Let's see. I'm not regular format a guy where it is typically putting content and as a trainer and keeping in all these things, right? And so I'm working guys where I want to understand where you are struggling. I can see a lot of people. If I'll talk like what is WebDriver, and no one is not able to answer it. It's like they'll say it like interface, but which class is really implemented, and these people is don't. don't know. It's like I'm not putting and blame on anyone. It's like we are not going inside our API and how it works and all. If you ask, like, this list is which collection framework it is. Everyone says collection framework. In Java, and a list comes from on the collection framework and all. They look into this everything, and but when it comes to the Selenium, how it built and what is the internal architecture and all, and the people are not aware. People are not aware. So, guys, is like, let's jump into our internal subject, how the Selenium WebDriver works and how you need to be, learn it, and what you need to be learn it, and what kind of persons will get it in, while giving an interview. So most will have this on core Java concepts and the collections and the arrays and string, whatever we have it, and right. And so after that, you also can understand what will be there, what will be there. All you understand it, and which is needed in Java. Then what you need to know. So you need to know it, like, one point that is Selenium methods and how it built and what is architecture and how the methods are classes or interfaces or abstract class or how it is getting flown down, right? So, and also you need to be understand this how the frameworks need to be built it and how we need to be, reuse that code most which is needed. So these kind of things will understand it morely, moreover, like, I want you guys to be asked on which topic you want to be started and which question or how things. And if you start commenting me and giving me some topics where you need to be look into really, so we can start working on that. So this is Saturday morning. It's like, I wanted to come the online since I was testing it, and so I want to put my words in front of you guys. So it's long and long. I'm thinking it, like, how to commit it live and how to do this and all kind of things. It's like, finally I got some small setup where I can go with this. So sincerely, I want to share my skills to these people, and I want to help the people who are struggling to be crack their interviews, or who are struggling to be, settle down into their jobs. And you guys wants to be, come up with this uh, practical way and learn it and what is going on and how this interview pattern is into this and all. All right, guys, and thank you for looking into, and I'm hoping you guys will be, putting some questions or comments or suggestions, right? And we'll going forward we'll work on this. Thank you all. Thank you all for giving love.